Hey YouTube, my young fella decided to buy a tractor. He really wanted to have it, even though it's a slight fixer-upper, haha. But by him buying it, he will be the fourth generation to own it. So I believe this is a 54? 1953. Farmall Cub. You can see a little bit of the sticker left there. But as you can see here, we've definitely got some work to do. But he's willing to give it a go, so we're going to see what we can do. Those tires are going to be a nightmare, that's for sure, at least on this side. The other side doesn't look too bad. And he's got an attachment or two, and it's got a PTO. The seats had a little bit of a better day, but we can get her up on there. Don't know if we'll have to get a new one or if we can just weld pieces on that. We'll see. The wheels still try to turn, but it's kind of buried in the grass, so. But at least the steering box is movable. We're not able to crank it over yet, but it's still got oil in it. The intake has been covered, and like the gas tank looks like it's still in half decent shape. Hopefully it'd be just a matter of cleaning it up and painting it. Don't imagine there's going to be too much wrong inside of here. The wheels on this side don't look too bad. The tires look bad, but the wheels don't. Hopefully we'll be able to clean up just one side and only have to get the other side. Some of the issues that we're definitely going to run into is the spark plug is split there and there. These two aren't split, but they're in pretty rough shape. And then a lot of the connections, you know, they're pretty rusted. So we'll have to see if we can clean them up or if they're strict replacement. But as we go along, we'll keep taking some videos and show you how the progress going. And for the amount that he put into it so far, if we can't get it going, he can at least sell it for metal and get some of his money back. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and watch for the next one.